Aloha Nui. I'd like to thank my son for working hard. He's a wonderful cameraman. Um, Basically, I've had some calls regarding why am I addressing E equals MC2? What does that have to do with music? Well, basically, what we're looking at, music is basically energy. Energy is light. Okay, in the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth. That's called the Big Bang. I explained that. Okay, so we have what is called E is energy. Okay, so, and then I explained what potentially energy is our efforts. It's emotional content. It's intellect. It's daydreaming. It's visions. It's movement. So energy is everything that we are. We're made out of energy, quantum physics. So says E equals. Now equals means it's the same as E equals M. So what is M? M is mass. Mass means weight, and I'm using it in the context of many variations. You like mass executions, many variations. Now I like to address Einstein is the one that gave me this understanding. Based on his understanding of this, it's a universal law. It applies to everything. See, so mass is everything that and anything that we are dealing with, and that's a part of relativity. C is the speed. Initially, it's light speed. It's nothing faster than light speed. But what we're dealing with here is tempo, largo, and we also have allegro. And for tempo, we also have distance. This is where E equals MC equals time and space is the same. So the space is the quarter notes. The quarter note rest, the eighth note rest, the half note rest. Also, songs are 3 minutes long, 2 minutes long, for it to be airworthy. Sometimes they don't want it too long, right? So that's called span or distance. So within that distance, you'll be playing a mathematical formula, which is 4 bars, 4 bars, 4 bars, and 4 bars, and then you're going to be repeated. Now, what we do have potentially is we have, because we're into math, we have symbols. This is a treble clef. This is a bass clef, whatever that means. This is a sharp. A sharp raises a note by half a step. A flat lowers a note by half a step. This is a whole note. A dot placed next to a note increases its value by half of its original value. So once again, let's look over here. Exponential energy. This is about what the energy that you put in and what you become as a whole. Okay? Starts off with 1 times 2 equals 2. Okay? 2 times 2 equals 4. That's 2 squared. 4 times 2 equals 8. That's to the third power, 3, 2. 8 times 2 equals 16. That's 4 squared. The reason why I'm putting this down is because of this. See? This is a symbol right here. That means beginning. That's tails going up. 4 bars. This is 4 bars. Okay, here this is the ending. This is beginning, and this is the ending, and this is your meter. 4 over 4. That means there are 4 bars. 1, 2, 3. There are 4 beats in a bar. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Usually, when you have an 8-bar song like this, a song that's written in 8 bars, this is bar number 5. Okay, so you have a repeat sign, and it repeats over here. That's what the symbols are for. So this is bar 1, and this is bar 5. However, for blues, we have, instead of 8, we have 12 bars. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. And then we have the repeat sign. And then it repeats. So this is bar number 9. Okay? what we're dealing with here that we need potentially is to be able to feel for blues. Just let's take it from the top. It goes 1, bar 2, bar 3, bar 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 3, 4, 10, 11, 12. Repeat now, just feel it, watch it. This part is intuitive, you simply feel it. It's muscle memory. Repeat it again. Here we go. Again from the top. Eight, 9, 12. Stop. So could you feel that? That's muscle memory. That is intuitive, and that's what it takes to play blues. When you play blues, it's basically intuitive. Now usually, when you get into contemporary music or pop, what we're dealing with here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the repeat sign. This is 9, 10, 11, 12. This is 13. 14, 15, 16, this is 16 bars. Usually the song could possibly be this. I'm showing you all the variations. If it's 4 bars, if it's four bar phases, this is a 4 bar phase. What they do is they dissect. The word is dissect. D-I-S-E-C. You dissect this into 2 bar sections. So this would be considered, this here, it's considered A section. Okay, and this here, this is considered B section. Okay, B section. So now what we got here is called format. F-O-R-M-A-T. So the format is A, B, A, B. And or you can just go A, B, depending, because we have to communicate. We live in a world of communication, yeah? So this is the language of music. And see, notice over here, this is 13, 14, 15, 16, and then it repeats. Okay, we also have what is called a coda. Okay, so we have a coda sign, okay, from here. So we repeat it, okay? We take it over here, okay? We repeat over here, coming over here. Okay, now from here, they want us to go to the coda. So here's a coda like this, and then they put the coda down here. Okay, so let's go with the coda. And the coda here. Let's write it better. S. So what this is a symbol is S, and that goes on there. Okay, so that's called a coda. Coda to coda. That means you're going to end. So you start off here, 1, 2, 3, 4, here, 5, 6, 7, 8. First time 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Repeat to the coda. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Coda to coda. 9, 10, 11, and you stop here. This is the end. That's fine. And then usually before you fine, you always slow down. So slow down. The reason why you slow down is what are you communicating? That you're gonna keep going or stopping. You're communicating that you're going to stop. Okay? With that said, ho'oloi, hoko, holomua.